Hi kids, today we are going to learn number names 90 to 100. Let's start. Number names 9191. N-I-N-E-T-Y 90 O-N-E-1 91. 9292. N-I-N-E-T-Y 90 T-W-O 292. 9393. N-I-N-E-T-Y 90 T-H-R-E-E 393. 9494. N-I-N-E-T-Y 90 F-O-U-R 494. 9595. N-I-N-E-T-Y 90 F-I-V-E 595. 9696. N-I-N-E-T-Y 90 S-I-X 696. 9797. N-I-N-E-T-Y 90 S-E-V-E-N 797. 9898. N-I-N-E-T-Y 90 E-I-G-H-T 898. 9999. N-I-N-E-T-Y 90 N-I-N-E 999. 100 100. O-N-E 1 H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100 100. Now let's go to the textbook exercise. Number word. Fill in the missing numbers. Dear kids, you can see numbers 1 to 100 here. But some numbers are missing. Let's find out those missing numbers. Let's start. 1 is there. Next number is 2. Next 3. Next one 4. 4 after we know 5. 5 is there. So next number is 6. 6 after 7. Next 8. Next one 9. Next number is 1 0 10. 10 after 1 1 11. 1 2 12. 1 3 13. 1 4 14. 1 5 15. 1 6 16. 1 7 17. 1 8 18. 18 after 1 9 19. 19 is there. So next number will come 2 0 20. 20 after 2 1 21. 2 2 22. 2 3 23. 2 4 24. 24 after 2 5 25. 25 is there. So next number will come 2 6 26. Then 2 7 27. 2 8 28. 2 9 29. 3 0 30. 30 after 3 1 31. 3 2 32. 32 after we know that 33 will come. 33 is there. Then 33 after which number will come? 3 4 34. Then 3 5 35. Then 3 6 36. Then 3 7 37. Next number is 3 8 38. Next 3 9 39. Next number will come 4 0 40. 40 after will come 4 1 41. 41 is there. So next number will come 4 2 42. 4 3 43. 4 4 44. Next is 4 5 45. 45 after 4 6 46. 46 is there. So next number will come 4 7 47. 47 after 4 8 48. Next is 4 9 49. Next number will come 5 0 50. 50 after we know that 5 1 51. 5 2 52. Then 5 3 53. 53 after 5 4 54. 54 is there. So next number will come 5 5 55. Next is 5 6 56. Next number is 5 7 57. Next is 5 8 58. Next number is 5 9 59. Next is 6 0 60. 6 0 60 after 6 1 61. 61 after 6 2 62. 62 is there. So next number will come 6 3 63. Next is 6 4 64. Next number is 6 5 65. Next is 6 6 66. Next is 6 7 67. Next number is 6 8 68. Next is 6 9 69. 69 after 7 0 70. 70 is there. So next number will come 7 1 71. 7 2 72. Next is 7 3 73. Next 7 4 74. Next 7 5 75. Next is 7 6 76. 76 after 7 7 77. 77 is there. So next number 7 8 78. Next 7 9 79. Next number will come 8 0 80. 80 after we know that this number will come 8 1 81. 81 after 8 2 82. Then 8 3 83. 83 after 8 4 84. Then 85. 85 85. Then next number is 8 6 86. Next number will come 8 7 87. Next is 8 8 88. Next is 8 9 89. 89 after 9 0 90. 90 is there. So next number will come 9 1 91. 91 after we know that 92 92 92. 92 is there. So next number 9 3 93. Next is 9 4 94. Next number is 9 5 95. Next is 9 6 96. Next number is 9 7 97. Next 9 8 98. Next number is 9 9 99. 9 9 99 after which number will come? 1 0 0. 100 will come. 100 is there. Okay. Next exercise is I can write numbers. Write numbers 1 to 100. Dear kids, we have already learned numbers 1 to 100. So this exercise is very easy for you. So all of you count with me from 1 to 100. Okay, let's start. 1 is there. Next number 2. Next is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Next is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30. Next number is 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40. 40 after 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 50. 50 after 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 60. 60 after 6 1 61, 6 2 62, 6 3 63, 6 4 64, 6 5 65, 6 6 66, 7 67, 6 8 68, 6 9 69, 7 0 70. Then next number is 7 1 71, 7 2 72, 7 3 73, 7 4 74, 7 5 75, 7 6 76, 7 7 77, 7 8 78, 7 9 79, 8 0 80. 80 after 8 1 81, 8 2 82, 8 3 83, 8 4 84, 8 5 85, 8 6 86, 8 7 87, 8 8 88, 8 9 89, 9 0 90. The next number is 9 1 91, 9 2 92, 9 3 93, 9 4 94, 9 5 95, 9 6 96, 9 7 97, 9 8 98, 9 9 99, 99 after 100, 100. Okay. Okay, next question is write what comes just before. How to find before numbers? Count backward from the given number. Okay. First one is 91. Count backward 91, 90. So 90 is just before 91. Okay. Then next number is 97. 97, 96. So 96 is the just before 97. Okay. Then next number is 93. Which number comes just before 93? Count 93, 92. So 92. Yes, 92 comes just before 93. Okay, next number is 98. Count backward 98, 97. So 97 comes just before 98. So next number is 94. 94, count all of you backward 94, 93. So 93 is the just before 94. Okay, then next number is 83. 83, which number comes just before 83? Count backward 83, 82. So 82 comes just before 83. Okay, next number is 100. 100, 100. Which number comes just before 100? Count backward from 100, 100. Then which number will come there? 99. 99 comes just before 100. Okay. Then next number is 9696. All of you count backward 96, 95. So 95 comes just before 96. Okay, last question is 88. All of you count backward from 88, 88, 87. So 87 comes just before 80. Okay. Okay, next question is write what comes just after. How to find after number? Count forward from the given numbers. Okay. Then first number is 89. Okay, all of you count forward from 89, 89, 90. So 90 comes just after 89. Okay, then next question is 99, 99. All of you count forward from 99, 99, 100. So 100 comes just after 99. The next question is 76. 76, 77. 77 comes just after 76. The next question is 9 to 92. 92 after which number will come? 92, 93. So 93 comes just after 92. Then next question is 9, 8, 98. Count all of you 98, 99. So 99 comes just after 98. The next question is 78. 78. 79. 79 comes just after 78. The next question is 95. All of you count forward from 95. 95. 96. 96 comes just after 95. The next number is 93. 93 after which number will come? Guess all of you. 93, 94. So 94 comes just after 93. Then last question is 63. 63, 63. Count all of you. 63, 64. So 64 comes just after 63. Okay. Next one. Write what comes in between. Dear kids, what do you mean by between numbers? Between number is the one that comes in the middle of two numbers. Okay, how to find the between numbers? Count forward from the first given number to the second given number. Here, first number is 97. So, all of you count forward from 97 to 99. Let's start all of you. 97, 98, 99. So, which number comes in between 97 and 99? Yes, 98 comes in between 97 and 99. Next one, 93 and 95. So, which number comes in between 93 and 95? Yes, 94 comes in between 93 and 95. Next one, 55 and 57. So, all of you count forward from 55 to 57. 55, 56, 57. So, 56 comes in between 55 and 57. Next one, 91 and 93. So, count forward from 91, 91, 92, 93. So, 92 comes in between 91 and 93. Next one, 98, 100. So, which number comes in between 98 and 100? Yes, 99 comes in between 98 and 100. Next one, 61 and 63. So, all of you count forward from 61, 61, 62, 63. So, 62 comes in between 61 and 63. Next one, 96 and 98. So, can you guess which number comes in between 96 and 98? Yes, 97 comes in between 96 and 98. Okay, next question, 95 and 27. So, count from 95, 95, 96, 97. So, 96 comes in between 95 and 97. Our last question is 23 and 25. So, all of you count forward from 23 to 25. 23, 24, 25. Yes. So, 24 comes in between 23 and 25. Okay. Dear kids, today's class is over. All of you practice these topics at home. Okay. Thank you all. Bye. Take care.